Ngasidagi hauduna laibak pumba chatnaba haugadawriba criminal law ahum Bharatiya Nyay Sanghitya BNS 2023 Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanghitya BNSS 2023 Bharatiya Sakshya Abhinaya BSA 2023 Manipur da su chatnaba haure haina Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena lauthokre British ki matamda chatnaramba law sing chahi chamaga humfuga mari ki matungda sindoktuna chatnaba haunaba asina laibak asida lairiba miyamda YLP bada masak thokpa awonba ama purakpa ngamlagani losing asi implement tawba amadi losing asi implement tawgadawriba singna thabak tawba matamda aigini khanna thabak tawba changi haina Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena phongdoki ngasi Palace Compound laiba MSFDS ki Auditorium da pangthokpa thauram amada Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena makhatara duna hai Manipur da sunga sidagi chatnaba haugadawriba criminal law sing asi chatnaba haure haina lauthokhi thauram aduga mari lainana Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena hai Prime Minister Narendra Modi Home Minister Amit Shah amadi Defense Minister Rajnath Singhana laibak asigi ahongba kaya ama purakliba amadi Purakna ba hotnariba sing asi yenglaga laibak asigi citizen ama oina luchingba sing asibu thamoi shengna thagali ngasidagi chatnaba haugadawriba criminal law ahum asi laibak asigi laihau culture tradition amadi miyam ga yamna naksinaba laibak amagi criminal justice system ahongba purakadaba law singni anoba law sing asi laibak asida lairiba micham prajada matik chaba wayet phanghangadaba matamga chunaba law singni haina phongdokhi
khwaidagi lubadi na phaningba law afaba semo implementation part that is very important implementing agencies that is very important implement the word koi koina iona oshina FIR fajana maram sana lawda bada igada bada igada na nadra lawda na matam sana sashi thagakada bada thagata na government advocacy na prit tawda bada matam sana maram sana tawda na tawda na kheroi aduna koina punu mosi krai la kega ai koina thabuk khuni mosi ownership ki idea yauna adugi conviction yauna thabuk tawkana ai gi ni ko adugi madugi conviction du yauna thabuk tawra kada da mai pakada as a government official pung tara de office kare pung mari da le ai office ki to pung thok to re na de amat to mai pa
ngasi ki thauram aduga mari lainana law minister Thongnaujam Basant Kumar na hai ngasi dagi chatnaba hauriba criminal law ahum haibadi Bharatiya Nyay Sanghita BNS 2023 asi laibak asida chahi chamaga humfuga mari gi mamangdagi chatnaduna leiraklaba colonial law Indian Penal Code mahut silagani aduga Bharatiya Nagari Suraksha Sanghita BNSS 2023 na hanagi the court criminal procedure loinana Bharatiya Sakshya Abhinaya BSA 2023 na hana chatnaramba Indian Evidence Act adu mahut silagani anoba law sing asida yauriba anoba provision sing asina victim oiriba mioi singda matik chana justice phanghanba ngamhanbaga loinana culprit sing adusu punishment pibagi mahut masa semdok chaba yabagi lambi kaya piri anoba law sing asida mob justice organized crime Mipa Mipun tauba extortion tauba illicit trafficking tauba da chenaba singi mathakta akanba mityeng changbaga loinana akanba punishment pibagi yauri provision sing asina laibak asida thokhaningdaba thodok wathok kaya thokliba asida kanaba oiragani haina law minister asina phongdokhi ngasigi thauram aduda Manipur lainga ki cabinet minister sing MLA sing Manipur gi chief secretary DGP home department ke makok thongbo official kayana saruk yakhi
Organized crime now faces comprehensive legal scrutiny, covering a broad spectrum of illegal activities. These activities include kidnapping, robbery, vehicle theft, which is very much existent in Manipur, extortion. This will be also tackled in a very strong manner. Land grabbing, contract killing, economic offences, cyber crimes, and trafficking in persons, drugs, weapons, and illicit goods and services. Human trafficking for prostitution or ransom conducted by individuals or groups acting in concert as members of organized crime syndicates or on behalf of such syndicates will face severe penalties.